Farming has been a way for me to build connections to people that I wouldn't otherwise have been able to form. And I think food is a way that people express themselves and a way that they connect with others. And so I think from that side of things, food has always been really important to me. I think that's why my degree is very useful, because it will allow me to go into kind of like a planning role or a programming role, having my background in agriculture and food while applying that to other community work. I essentially chose USM because I knew that I could take a lot of skills-based classes that would let me kind of do whatever I wanted to after graduating. Professors I had never met they were invested in where I ended up and were making connections for me for finding work or internships or just even like other people at USM I could talk to.